Hello, this is Homero Salinas, State Specialist in Cooperative Extension at Lincoln University. I'm working with the small ruminants, and I'm very happy to be here today with you with this event that is organized by Dr. Akotsen and Susan Haster. I thank you for the invitation for this innovative small farmers outreach program videos that they are doing. So I would like to share some of the experience that we have here at Lincoln. The winter, when we talk about goat and sheep production, we are talking very much about using the pasture that is very good for healthy animals and also for healthy foods for the humans. So also they may be using some of the goats for some brush control and some plants that you don't like in the backyards, and also to use for other uses like pets or for milk or for meat production. Also, like these ladies, they have built some equipment that they will use to facilitate the management of the animal, like for this goat that they will be working with some stuff in the feet of the goat. So you may be watching it how they will be working. So there has to be a lot of improvements in the management, like this couple that they're working in a very integrated mixed production systems where they produce small ruminant meat, even they sell by themselves, and they make a mix of species with cattle that help a lot to control some prevention of the parasites for the small ruminants, and also with some vegetables. So the integrated mixed production systems are very good, like using vegetables and sheep and goats and cattle. So also when you are pasturing, you may be using the hardware, and that is very good to help just keeping the animals where they should be doing, just grazing. So for the production, you may be producing some meat that is in the East Coast is very demanded, and also when you are thinking about meat, you may be thinking in some roast, barbecue, corrito stew, meat for tacos or for gordita. So this is very good, and you may be having a very good dishes, or you want to put a point of selling, so with all the certification that you need. The goat's milk, even the sheep milk is very good to producing very good cheeses. So like these ones that you may be seeing that are so good. Also for the goat's milk, that is of easier digestion than the cow's milk. So you may be doing a very good production because with goat's milk has a different kind of casein that the cow's milk that is very good better for digestion. So we have a webinar series that you may be engaged with us through the YouTube or Facebook, in the way that you may be having a better management understanding of how to do a good job with your small ruminants, with your pasture, or even if you will start a new business, a new farm. So we work with forages and pastures, with goats and sheep, and with business modeling, strategic planning. So anything that you need, please contact us. To be working with these kids is very funny, and you may use also as pets. So thank you so much for this opportunity to be sharing with you. And we are here at Lincoln University Cooperative Extension.